1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parking places. Nice parking, huh? Hello, my family, my crew, my gang. Back on a dash. Grandma Dasher here. I'm almost ready to turn Uber Eats off. Typically, they're not this bad. It's like I want to ask if Uber Eats and DoorDash kind of switched places. 3 in a row, 3 really bad orders in a row, and I'll pop the screenshots up right here. It's like, what's up? Uber Eats usually doesn't do this to me. 3 orders, high miles, upside down, and 2 of those orders were taking me in another zone. But I am going on my way to my hotspot, and we'll see what kind of other orders come in. If Uber Eats keeps throwing me junk, I'll turn them off. I've got nothing on DoorDash yet. This is Tuesday. This is Terrible Tuesdays, right? Okay, Uber Eats came back with one of the orders and bumped it way up, made it no longer an upside down order. Picking up at Eaton Park. It started out at like 8 something. It's now $11 and some odd change. And we're gonna go do this order. Oops, it sent me another order while I was dropping that one off. $4 for 9 miles. Had to decline that. And I figured I was going to start getting orders in that area. But I really don't want to be that far from home. And then I kind of paused them a little bit until I got back to where I felt that I probably would not get an order there. I would get more local. And then for 20 minutes that I've been driving to get back to my zone, because that last order did take me out. I just now got an order on DoorDash for Burger King. Not ideal. It's not great, but $4.50 for 2.4 miles. At least a $1 to mile ratio makes sense. It's first order on DoorDash. DoorDash has been quiet. The drink that went with his order, I'm about ready to drop off from Burger King. Someone sold the drink right in front of me. He's looking at it and he's looking around. I don't know if you noticed it. I might leave it on this video clip. He had a green shirt on. He would have walked out of the Burger King right before me with 2 drinks. He should have only had 1. They're not too happy. I watched him take the drink, and they're like, "Where's the drink? It was right here." And on the way out, devious me, just to fuck with him.
At the light, turn left.
I told him, I says, "Keep your receipt."
In about 1 mile,
they're saying somebody stole a Dr. Pepper, and they might be reporting it. So just so that there's no trouble, and they have everything on camera, I told him, just keep your receipt to show that you purchased 2 drinks, not 1. Oh, he scurried out of that parking lot. I know you didn't see that because I'd already shut the camera off. I was already back in my car. Oh, he raced to get the hell out of Dodge. More trash. Uber Eats, what the hell? Keeps doing it. Yet another one that was $4.02 for 5 miles. No, I don't know where all this trash is coming from. My acceptance rate is dropping on Uber Eats now. I maintained Uber Eats because he always gave me good orders. Lately, they're coming up with a lot of garbage that they're flinging out there. Maybe it's the summer season. Maybe it's a summer slowdown. I don't know. And on another note, you heard of people taking up 2 parking places and it gets annoying? How about 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 parking places. Nice parking, huh? Okay, $3 for 3.8 miles. No, decline. Not taking that. Absolutely not. It's like, where do these people think? Come get your own damn food. Finally got something acceptable. $5 for less than a mile. Just want to show ya. This parking lot is filling up, and that asshole is still taking up 4 spaces. Quart of chicken soup, the only thing on this order. Looks like it's on there. I need to hit match. That's the same one that's been coming up. $3, $4. Now it's at a reasonable. Okay, I actually got it. So basically, the one that I declined twice because the dollar to mile ratios is upside down, it's finally the opposite way. The last offer was $4 for 5 miles. It's now $6.09 for 5 miles. And here's the other thing. I was complaining that nothing was coming in on DoorDash. I got that one order, and I don't even know how I got that. I had DashLink only, and I was still on the waiting list for DashLink. I forgot to take that off. But how I got that one DoorDash order is beyond me. So that's on me that I haven't gotten decent DoorDash orders. This order's literally walking distance. Looking at it here. 2.5 blocks. Somebody couldn't walk 2.5 blocks. Oh well. Forgot the drink. Uh-huh.
A few minutes later.
Duma, your drink is ready.
Okay, I couldn't record that drop off because she was right here at her car. So, handed it right to her, couldn't turn the camera on. So now, we wait for our next order. I don't know how long I'm staying out tonight. Okay, we got another one coming in. Are you kidding me? $5.25. 2 pickups. It is 1 drop off. $5.25. No, I ain't taking that. If you look at that, yeah, there is something definitely going to be brewing. It is only 6:18 though. I might just call it a night and call it a short day. I've only been total today about 2 hours during lunch and hour and a half tonight, 3.5 hours. I didn't make a whole lot of money in those 3.5 hours, but I don't like to be out in thunderstorms. Rain, I don't like to be out in either, but I'll do it. I'll do the rain. I don't play with lightning bolts unless I'm able to throw them myself. And I could think of a person or two that I like to throw lightning bolts at. Okay, real quick. I made $27 on DoorDash today, and I made $22.51 on Uber Eats. Divide that by, and I thought about it, I only did like 3 hours actually because I cut my lunch short, equals $16.50 an hour. Not horrible, but not great either. It is what it is, and I probably could do more, but I don't want to tangle with Mother Nature. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this stash, check out the next video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next hustle. Stay safe out there, and until next time, keep on hustling.